In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a buyer that blocked you on Fiverr. If a conversation ended up in your spam folder or you previously blocked a user by mistake, this quick walkthrough will help you restore the chat and get communication flowing again. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website to open it. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your messages. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the top right corner of the page and click the envelope icon. That opens a preview of your recent messages. In that preview window, select the option that says See All in Inbox. This takes you to the full messaging area where you can view and manage every conversation. On the left side panel, you'll see different message categories. First, click All Messages to ensure the full menu is visible and you're in the main inbox view. Next, select Spam. This is where Fiverr places messages that were flagged, either automatically by the system or by you. It's common for legitimate conversations to end up here by accident, so don't worry if you see familiar names or threads. Find the conversation for the person you want to unblock and open it. Take a moment to confirm it's the right chat. Inside the conversation, you'll see an option to unblock. Click Unblock, and the conversation will be restored. Once unblocked, the chat will typically move back to your main inbox, and you'll be able to reply as usual. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you can't find the thread in spam, double-check that you're in the correct account and that filters aren't hiding older messages. After unblocking, consider sending a short, professional note to re-establish context. Keep your message clear and respectful, and avoid sharing any contact details outside the platform to stay within Fiverr's guidelines. Also remember, unblocking on your side allows you to message the buyer again, but if they have you blocked on their end, you still won't be able to reach them unless they remove their block. That's it. Go to Google, open Fiverr, head to your inbox via the envelope icon, choose See All in Inbox, open the left panel, switch to Spam, open the conversation, and click Unblock. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly restore important client communication on Fiverr.